life at AWS reInvent 2025. For this year, AWS reInvent attracted over 65,000 attendees and featured a heavy focus on AI agents. There were more than 1,000 unique technical sessions and classes offered across various experience levels from introductory level 100 to expert level 500. The sessions were not just about keynote speakers, but various learning formats such as innovation talks, hands-on labs, workshops, and breakout sessions. The keynote presenting here is the VP of AWS Database Services. There were over 1,000 AWS partners showcase their solutions in the expo halls. And this is the AWS merch store where they feature a selfless checkout. They also have an AI booth to create an AI sticker. Their keynote speaker, the Senior Technical Project Manager, noted they upgraded all their GPUs powered by NVIDIA. This section is called Content Hub, and each section has its own lecture. And the participants for each section wears a headset, so they only hear their own lecture. Based on the level of your session, each of the lecture goes deep dive into configurations. One of the most memorable experiences of AWS AI training is attending the AWS AI League Bootcamp, where they give us a platform called AWS SageMaker, where we can spin up our own AWS AI model with a backend of either OpenAI or Meta AI. I was able to deploy the model to AWS Bedrock and train the AI model. When you're training the AI model, you can use plain English text language. Training the AI is by narrowing down search parameters, catering the search results, and personalizing it. After training, I deploy the change and an AI will grade the model. One of the partner booths is Adobe, where they featured their new AI functionality. Here you can see I designed a Coca-Cola can with AI image generator. This is an arcade game called AWS Graviton, and it is a Pac-Man game. Consider the small pellets as data, and as we store more data, Pac-Man moves slower. So the goal of the game is to eat AWS Graviton, which upgrades the processor and makes Pac-Man moves faster. Finally made it to the expo. Advanced AI search, data analytics. Heading to Twilio. This is where I was able to design and deploy my first game using the help of AI. It was very easy and I was able to play the game afterwards. I made this game. I made this game. Now I can play this game.
Multiple shooter.
Let's go. And of course, after all the learning and classes, this is the legendary replay party. I love how they featured agentic AI even at play. It just shows that agentic AI will be in our lives in the near future. And this sums up a life in a week with averaging 13,900 steps daily at AWS reInvent 2025. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.